Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account without a phone number on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Gmail app, right? And what I'm going to do after I open up my Gmail, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my avatar icon at the top right. And from there, I'm going to just go ahead and click manage your, sorry, not manage your account. I'm going to add another account, right? And then I'm going to just click Google right here. And basically they will open up a new window. I'm gonna double tap the continuing button, and then I'm gonna hit the create account at the bottom left corner and select if it was for your personal use. In my case it is. And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter my first name and follow along the on-screen instructions. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna enter my birthday, right? And basically I'm gonna just go ahead right here and select the gender as well, right? And follow along the on-screen instructions, and then just go ahead and create your own, email address, and basically hit next right here to follow along the on-screen restrictions. Hit next again, and then create a strong password, right? And basically after you created your basically the password and everything, I'm gonna just hit right here, right? I'm gonna just continue, right? I'm gonna add right here, continue, and basically go ahead and hit next. And basically now you created this account to use it on Google without setting your phone number on right here. All right, let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.